For the '05 Up Mustang, when you take off the fender bolt, the hole alignment might look like it's off. So the fender could overshadow the hole on the support, and when you line the bracket up, some people see that this doesn't line up this way. The intent is you slide the bracket up onto the fender to allow the holes to line up. When you tighten the bolt down, this pulls the bracket tight against the fender and assures that there is no movement in the bracket. This is actually correct fitment and installation. Sorry for the video. So by sliding the fender bracket up a little bit, it allows the holes to center, and there's plenty of slop and movement when you locate it this way. Then tightening the bolt, you can see that it still is able to be tightened by hand, and then we finish the tightening with a wrench, and it secures it firmly against the fender apron. Successful install.